Hi, this is MarcyBoy Tv. Today I'm going to show you how to use the built-in video editor in your Windows 10 PC. Type video editor. Click the video editor app. Now we are here in the home page of the video editor app. Then click the new video project. Okay. Name your project. Let's say project 1. Okay. You can see there is a project library. There is the scene here where you can see the pictures when you play the storyboard. Here the bottom storyboard where you will place the pictures or audio. Make sure you can choose the photos or the videos or even combination of both. Now let's add. For now I will just use my photos in my PC. Then I get my photos from this PC. You can see I have here the photos of Vera. I just click the first one and then Control A. Then it will be all photos will be selected. Then open files. All photos will be added in the project library while the video editor is adding the photos. Okay, there is the photos. Then we will put these photos in the storyboard. You can select whatever photo you want, or you can select all the photos to be included in the storyboard. To do that, click the place in storyboard. Okay, all photos is now in the storyboard. You can see here at the right lower bottom there's add title card, duration, text, motion, 3D effects, filters. These buttons are also included once you right click at the picture. See? Now let's try to change the duration here. Let's say 5 seconds. Okay, the duration of this first photo is already 5 seconds. Now add title card. Use this button here. Okay, add text. You can see different animated text style you can choose from. Let's say joy, venture. I choose joy. Then change the title. Vera files. Okay, below there's a layout. You can view the text from the top, wherein the text is in the top, at the bottom, the left side, the right side, or even at the center, but it's smaller than the original one, so I choose this one at the center. So click done. Now we have the title here at the beginning of the storyboard. So let's use the text in a photo. So let's add text. For example, I will put the name of Vera here. Then use the classic. Then I use the layout at the bottom. You can see the name Vera. It's already in at the bottom. Then once you're satisfied with that, click done. Okay, now we have changed the duration, put some text in a photo, then click this motion tab. Let's say I will choose the zoom out center. So let's see what's the effect of this one. Okay, let's zoom out the picture. How about the zoom in center? Okay, this one, zoom in left. Okay, for now I will just choose zoom out center. Okay, I'm good with that. Click done. Now we have foot motion in a picture. Then let's go in the last photo. You can see here I want to switch this photo. I just click this one and drag. Okay, now it's already at the end of the storyboard. So let's click this photo and let's put 3D effects on this one. Okay, it's loading. So I will just put confetti blast. You see, I will put it at the side, increase the size. Okay, I think that's enough. Click. Then let's see what's the effect of that. Okay, now we're going to use the 3D library. So there's so many options here: animals, word symbols. I will choose costume. I will put a unicorn horn on Bera's head. Okay, we'll adjust it. Okay, a little much bigger. Okay, click this one, play it again. Now with combination of confetti and unicorn horn. Okay, done. We'll just change the duration of that to 4 seconds. We'll put 4 here. Change. Okay, now let's start at the beginning to see what the storyboard looks like. Okay, let's play from the beginning. Okay, let's stop it first. Okay, I will put first a background music. Let's see, you can insert custom audio if you have your own audio in your PC, or you can just use the background music. So these are the available background music. So I will choose the happy bit. Then click this box, sync your video to the music's bit. Okay, done. Okay, now let's play the storyboard. Okay, I think I'm good. So once you're already satisfied with your project, just click this finish video. You can see it will download your video in a high, medium, or low quality, where I am going to choose the high quality, then export. Then it will pop up the where the project will be saved. That's in my finished videos. Okay, that is project 1 mp4.mp4, then export. Okay, it is already exporting. By the way, I'm recording this video using my OBS, so I just disabled the video capture device so that only my voice will be heard, and the screen capture will only display. So let's see, it's still exporting. Let's just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, remember that this is a built-in video editor for your Windows 10. You can use it to compile all your photos, even your videos, and make changes to them, put some effects in one storyboard. Okay, the exporting is already done. So let's see. Okay, you can see the video. It's now playing. Okay, let's fast forward this one. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, I think it's already done. So you can close now this one. You can exit. Then you can stop the recording. Thank you. Keep safe.